Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding new stimulus checks are finally coming, but there is the bad news as well. That these are the last stimulus check that you are about to receive. This video has all states and their details, so make sure you don't miss any part. Then we are going to tell you about the President Biden's new stimulus check plan. This video has complete detail about that as well, and we are going to tell you about important rental assistance that you can apply right now. And remember that this is the last chance, so make sure watch this video till the end without missing any part. So let's get into the details of new stimulus checks. And remember that these new stimulus checks are indeed coming, but they are coming with a con. Yes, these are the states. One, remember this may be the last state of stimulus check, so make sure that you act as soon as possible. The first state that is giving the stimulus check is the last state of California. Remember, California is leaving about $1,050 to their residents. This is indeed a huge amount, but you have to be a tax filer in order to get the stimulus check. The next state is the Colorado. Remember, Colorado is the most generous one. They are giving $750 to $1,500. But again, you have to be a filer because single tax filer is going to get $750 while joint tax filer are going to get double, that is $1,500. The next state is the state of Idaho. Remember, the Idaho is giving the 10 of your 2020 income tax liability or 300, whichever is greater. Remember, 300 is for single filer and $600 is for joint filer. When it comes to these stimulus checks, you have to be a tax filer in order to get this stimulus payment. Remember, the next one is the state of New Jersey. We receive a lot of messages about New Jersey, and here are the details. Remember, the details of New Jersey is also going to give a very huge amount to their residents, that is up to $1,500. Remember that if you are a homeowner, then you can qualify for up to $1,500. But what if you are renting a place in New Jersey? Well, you can get up to $450 if you are renter. The next state is the state of Pennsylvania. The Pennsylvania is giving the maximum rebate of $650. But remember, if you are homeowner, you can boost that amount to $975. So make sure you act as soon as possible. The next state is the state of South Carolina. South Carolina residents are also going to get a check up to $800. This is known as stimulus refund check. Again, for all this, you have to be a filer. Well, remember that this is indeed one of the biggest development for the people of South Carolina because they are the one who are waiting for more money, because they are the one, according to their messages and emails, are struggling the most. Now it's the time to give you the insight of Biden's new stimulus plan. Remember that the Biden tweeted this year, and we are going to dive into it, so make sure that you don't miss this part. Especially remember, inflation is at a record high, and that can mean that it can be tough to make ends meet for some. At President Joe Biden tweet at the end of 2022, in which he talked about signing historic legislation to lower cost of working families and seniors, creating good paying jobs. Before closing with, I look forward to more progress in the new year. And there was some speculations that perhaps stimulus checks could be on the table. Once again, let's know in the comment below, what do you think about it? Do you think that stimulus check is coming once again? We got more work to do. Well, this is the actual tweet from President Joe Biden, so let's read it for you. We got more work to do, but this year we signed historic legislation to lower cost for working families and seniors, help keep our communities safe from gun violence, and creating good paying jobs across the country. I look forward to more progress in the new year, so let know in the comment about what do you think about this tweet. And do you think that President Joe Biden is actually going to send another stimulus check so he can have one word in the upcoming election? Let's know in the comment below. Moving forward, we are going to tell you about the rental assistance as well. If you are renting a place, then this is a good news for our bad news as well. To prevent a tsunami of evacuation in the first 2 years of pandemic policy, makers set up a safety net that included evacuation moratoria and expanded rental assistance program and passing legislation to postpone court proceeding while rental assistance applications were proceed. As a result, the much feared wide-scale evacuation crisis was mostly held at bay. Now, especially in the state of Nevada, people are scared because of evacuation. Remember, the CARES Housing Assistance Program, also known as CHAP, which used federally funding to provide rental assistance program, will be scaled back drastically starting January 2023 and focus only social security recipients and others relying on fixed income. Meanwhile, although CHAP is not completely gone, it will be available to much more limited population starting January 2023 in other or qualified or rental assistance applicants must meet all eligibility requirements that includes one member of the household living on fixed income seeing their rent increase within the last year, received an evacuation notice, experienced the change in circumstances that resulted in an inability to pay rent. So if you have question, let's know. And that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.